In this video, you will learn how to add RSS feed to your Wix website. Wix offers an easy to use RSS feed app. Follow these simple steps. Log in using your credentials on your Wix account. Then, open the website editor for your site you want. In the left sidebar, click on the Add button. Scroll down and select Apps to open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, search for Wix App. Type in RSS feed. From the search result, your RSS app can be installed. Click Add to Site and install the RSS app. The app will automatically be added to your site. A widget will appear on your page. Once the app is added, click on the RSS feed to open its settings. In the settings, enter the RSS feed URL that you want to display. This could be the URL of an external RSS feed, such as a blog or a news site. Customize the layout, appearance and setting of the RSS feed, as for your preference, such as showing the images, descriptions and titles. After that, click Save and Publish. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.